guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, this is your first time, I'm Cheyenne. Welcome to my channel. So today what I'm going to be doing is reviewing the Colourpop California Love Palette right here. And I'm like in love with this palette. Like, I love the colors in this palette. Like, they're just so beautiful. So I'm happy to get to play around with this palette with you all today. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a get ready with me today. Today is my daughter's 3rd birthday party, so I'm getting ready for that. So I'm gonna do my makeup, get ready for that, so we can have a good time. All right, so before we get started, if this is your first time here, be sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the little bell to get notifications of my future uploads. And then also be sure to give this video a thumbs up after you watch it. So let's go ahead and get started. So here lately, I've been using this Neutrogena Hydro Boost City Shield Facial Gel Mist. I've been putting it on after I put on my primer because it gives me a little bit of a sticky base. And it actually helps my foundation stay down better too. So pretty much what this is for, it kind of like hydrates your skin. I do love the Neutrogena Hydro Boost stuff. Like, it's amazing. And then for foundation today, I'm gonna go with the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 3-in-1 foundation and concealer. I'm using the color 09 Tan here. All right, and I do like this, and the reason why I've been putting this down, because with this one, like, this is kind of like a really dewy finish, and it slides around a lot if you don't have a good primer base down. So, and then also I go in and like I set my whole face with translucent powder to help this stay in place better. So I will show you how to do that today. And then underneath of the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, I have the No Poreblem Prime Essence Touch and Soul primer here, which you all have seen me use this before. All right, and I got my beauty sponge right here, so I got it wet already. So I'm just gonna go in, put a couple of drops on this. Dab it all over my face. I'm gonna go in and blend it out. All right, so yeah, so today we're having my daughter's 3rd birthday party. Like, I can't believe she's gonna be 3. Her birthday is actually on Monday, which is July 22nd. So, you know, we're having it a couple of days early, so she won't be 3 till Monday. So she's my little Cancer baby. She's like right on the cusp, so she's like a Cancer Leo baby. She's a little Spitfire too. She has a mind of her own. And the theme of her party is gonna be unicorns. So I'm super excited for that. Like, all she's been talking about, like, for the past like week, that she wants cake. She wants cake. I was like, we're gonna have cake for your birthday, honey. All right, so I got that blended out. So next I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm using the color Sand in this. And we're just gonna go in and conceal and highlight the face here. I'm gonna bring it down my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, right here. All right, so now I'm just gonna go in and blend this out. All right, so that is blended out now. So next I'm gonna go in and put setting powder under my eyes. So I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Reset Setting Powder. I'm using the color Honey. All right, I'm just gonna take my beauty sponge here and dip into this. Right, now time to do the eyes. So like I said, I'm gonna go with this California Love Palette. So I'll do some swatches here for you all real quick. All right, so here's swatches of the colors here for you. On my thumb here, that color is Diego. This is the color Gnarly. This is the color Sequoia. This one on my ring finger right here is the color Gold Rush. This color on my pinky is the color Highway. All right, so the next 5 shades are, let me block that light there. This is the color Laguna on my pinky. This is the color El Captain. Yeah, this color right here on my middle finger is the color Surf Rider. This color right here is the color Chahunga. I don't know if I said that right. And then this color right here is the color Mission. All right, so the last 2 colors here, this one right here is the color Cruisin', and this is the color The Bay. Let's go ahead and jump into the palette here. All right, so the first color I'm gonna go in with is the color Gnarly right here. I'm gonna dust that into my crease. Next color I'm gonna go in with is the color Laguna right here. And this color definitely has some fallout. Yeah, you can like see it right there. But their palettes are bomb though. Like I love Colourpop's palettes. There may be fallout, but the colors are amazing. I'm just gonna build this up a little bit. I zoomed y'all in a little bit. Zoomed you in so you can see what I'm doing better. Next, I'm gonna go in with the color Gold Rush right here on my outer corner. I'm just patting this on my outer corner here so I can keep it contained in this outer corner. I usually do my brows before I do my eyes, but I was just so excited to get into this palette here. So now I'm just gonna go in and blend this portion out real quick. So the next color I'm gonna go in with is the color Diego. Right here is the shimmery gold color. I'm gonna put that, oh my god, it like broke apart. Look at that. Oh my, you see that? Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry. Alright, so let's put this right here. I did wet my brush, by the way. I usually always wet my brush if I'm going in with some kind of shimmer shade. Alright, that is looking so pretty. Like, oh my god, I love this palette. I love these kinds of colors. I do, like, yes. Next for lashes, I'm gonna go in with these. These are the Euler Intalia Power Play lashes. Like, these are so pretty. So I'm gonna put those on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my brows and finish my eyes, and then I'll be back and we can finish up the face and do the lips. Okay, I'm back. I got my eyes finished up. Like, it's looking so beautiful here. So actually I'm gonna go in with this shade on my waterline. This is the Appeal Gel Liner in the color Deep Taupe. So I'm just gonna throw this on my waterline. And then I do have to go in and put mascara on my lower lashes as well. So I got that done. So next I'm gonna go in and contour my face. This is the Fenty Beauty Matte Matchsticks in the color Truffle. All right, so I got that contoured out, so I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics number 3 brush here. It's like a little kabuki brush. And blend this out. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of setting powder. All right, sorry guys, my camera died. So I went ahead and bronzed my face. And I am gonna go in with this shade right here to highlight. Wait, no, not that one. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. The highlight was upside down. This is the color Headliner. I'm gonna put it right here on my nose. And right here, at the bridge of my nose. Right here, and here. All right, so next I'm gonna go in and put on blush. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's the color Premier. Next I'm gonna go in with the Kristofer Buckle lipstick. This is the color Renaissance. And so next I'm gonna go in and put some lip gloss on. This is the Fenty Beauty Glass Bomb lip gloss in the color Diamond Milk. So next I'm gonna go in and set my face. This is something new I'm trying. This is by Makeup Obsession. This is their Dewy Fix makeup setting spray here, and this is what it looks like. So like I said, this is my first time using this. For those of you who don't know, I actually have 2 daughters. One's 9 and then the youngest is gonna be 3. So there's a pretty big age gap, but I love it. All right, so let's spray the face here. Oh. All right guys, so this is the completed look here. All of this turned out so bomb. Like, this eye look is beautiful. This lipstick looks great with the completed look here. So yeah, I definitely recommend this Colourpop palette. I love it. Like I said, I love Colourpop's palettes. They are just so beautiful. So be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring the little bell down below so you can get notifications of my future uploads. And I just want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate it so much. And like I said, please subscribe. Like, it will help me if you subscribe to my channel. So subscribe, just subscribe. All you gotta do is click and you're done. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.